everyone, welcome to J&H Academy. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss on the continued part of digestion and absorption. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and share as much as possible. So without any further delay, let's get started. Human digestive system starts with mouth, right? So today we are going to study in detail about which all are the parts which are present in the mouth which helps in digestion. So mouth, the cavity which is present inside the mouth is called as buccal cavity. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ space ಏನು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ inside the mouth, the space which is present inside the mouth, so that space is called as buccal cavity. So space present inside mouth is nothing but buccal cavity. So this buccal cavity is divided into two parts. Buccal cavity ಎರಡು part ಆಗಿ divide ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So the first part is called as vestibule and the second part is called as oral cavity. So what is this vestibule? Vestibule means it is the space which is present between cheek and lip. Okay, so if lip matte cheek madhye en space iruttala, so that space is nothing but vestibule. Okay, so vestibule is the space which is present between lip and cheek. What is oral cavity? So sometimes we also call buccal cavity as oral cavity. Even in textbook it is given buccal cavity or oral cavity. But for competitive point of view, if we see, oral cavity is different than buccal cavity. So what is this oral cavity now? Oral cavity is the space which consists of teeth and tongue. So cheeks in the ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see teeth and tongue, right? So only that space is called as oral cavity. Okay, so oral cavity is the space which consisting of teeth and tongue. So teeth and tongue, so these two structures which are present inside the mouth plays a major role in mechanical digestion. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? Mechanical digestion means it is a physical method of breaking down of food. So there is one more type of digestion also which is called as chemical digestion. It is the breakdown of food with the help of enzymes. So teeth and tongue helps in mechanical digestion. Physical breakdown, it may be grinding or it may be chewing of food. Okay, so as these two structures are helpful in digestion, we need to know in detail about teeth and tongue. So teeth, in the oral cavity there are number of teeth present, right? The study of teeth is called as odontology. Okay, study of teeth is called as odontology. So we use teeth for many purposes, right? We cut food, we grind food, or we tear things using teeth. But have you ever wondered what is the structure of tooth? What is present inside the tooth? So we use tooth for many purposes, right? So for tearing we use tooth, or for cutting, for grinding purpose. So have you wondered how will be the structure of the tooth? So now let's see the structure of tooth. Okay, so a tooth is divided into three parts. Mainly it is divided into the upper part which is called as crown, Then the middle part is called as neck and the lower part is called as root. So a tooth is divided into crown, neck and root. So crown is the visible part of the tooth. What we can see, yaud namige kanuttalla horaginda, so that region is crown. Okay, so next, neck. Neck is the enclosed part of the tooth. It is enclosed. We can't see this. It is enclosed. Root is the deeply embedded part of the tooth which is present deep inside the gums. Okay, so it will be deeply embedded inside the gums. So this neck, the crown region has a structure which is called as enamel. So this region, what we can see, this region, so idanna enamel anta karitivi. This is enamel. So enamel is the hardest part which is present in our body and it is made up of two substances, calcium and magnesium phosphate. So ಈ enamel ಅನ್ನೋದು one of the hardest substance ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು calcium ಮತ್ತೆ magnesium phosphate ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So below the enamel, so this whole structure, ಈ whole structure ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು dentine ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is called as dentine. So dentine is made up of living tissue. It is made up of living tissue, hence it is sensitive to hot and cold conditions. When we say it as living tissue, of course it is made up of cells, right? So this dentine is made up of a type of cell which is called as odontoblast. It is made up of odontoblast. So within this dentine, ಈ dentine ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು cavity ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here within the dentine there will be a cavity present and this cavity is called as pulp cavity. This cavity is called as pulp cavity. So within this pulp cavity there will be blood vessels and capillaries present. Okay. So here the ending of the pulp cavity is called as root canal. Idanna root canal anta karitivi. So a tooth will be deeply embedded within gums. So here you can see this structure is nothing but gum. And there will be a structure here. So this structure is called as cementum. Idanna cementum anta karitivi. Cementum. So cement ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So to attach something, right? To join something. Like way, here the tooth is attached to the gum with the help of the cementum. Okay. So this is the structure of tooth. So tooth consists of a hardest substance which is called as enamel. Next to the enamel there is a dentine which is made up of living tissue and the cells present within dentine is called as odontoblast. Within the dentine there is a cavity which is known as pulp cavity within which there is presence of blood vessels and capillaries. So here there is root canal and the tooth is embedded into the gums by the attachment of this substance which is called as cementum. And remember, the teeth is mainly divided into crown, neck and root. So now let's discuss about human dentition. So what is human dentition? Human dentition means it is the arrangement of teeth within oral cavity. Andre ಈ teeth oral cavity ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ arrange ಆಗಿದಾವೆ, which type of teeth are present, what are their functions, all those we will learn in human dentition. So if you want to define human dentition is nothing but arrangement of teeth within oral cavity. So according to human dentition, human teeth are heterodont. Human teeth are heterodont. So what is this heterodont? Hetero means different. Dont in the sense teeth. Okay, different teeth. So how we can define this? Humans have different teeth to perform different function, which is called as heterodont. Okay, so there are different teeth present within our oral cavity. So which all are the type of teeth present? So there are 4 types of teeth which are present in the oral cavity. So the first type of teeth is called as incisors. Second is canine. Third is premolar. And the fourth one is molar. So I hope all of you know there are 32 teeth in adults, right? So total teeth is 32. So within this 32 teeth, there are 4 different types: incisor, canines, premolar and molar. So here there is a diagrammatic representation of heterodonts. Okay, so the first four which you can see, this only upper side of the teeth I have drawn here. So the first 4 is incisors. These are incisors. Okay, next 2, this and this, these are canines. Little sharp it will be. So these 2 are canines. These two, these are premolars, and the last 3, this and this. So these 3 are molars. Okay, so I have cut this into half. Okay, half of the portion. So this 2 will be incisors. Next, this one is canine. This 2 are premolar, and the last 3, these are molars. So incisor ಒಂದೇ side consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there are 2 incisors and there is 1 canine and there are 2 premolar and 3 molar. So considering this, we have given human dental formula. So the human dental formula is 2123 by 2123. This is a dental formula for adults. We have considered, remember, we have considered only one side, and this whole thing which I have drawn is only the upper side of the teeth. So here there are 16. ಕೆಳಗಡೆದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ total there will be 32. Okay, so this is adult human dental formula. So infants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So infants ಅಲ್ಲಿ there will be, as usual, 2 incisors will be there and 1 canine will be there. Premolar ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ 0 and molars will be only 2. Okay, incisors ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? Infants, incisors will be 2, canine will be 1, premolars will be 0 and molar is 2. So for infants, the dental formula will be 2102 by 2102. This is for infants. Okay, so as I said, heterodont antandre there are different teeth in humans to perform different function. Hagadre all these 4 teeth will perform different functions. So incisors helps in cutting. So any food, it is cut with the help of incisors. Next is canine. Canine is helpful for tearing purpose. Okay, so this teeth which is little sharp, we use it to tear, right? So that's why canines are used for tearing purpose. Premolar and molar both are useful for grinding of food. These are for grinding of food. So this is about heterodont. So what is heterodont? So next, According to the human dentition, human teeth are diffeodont. Second is diffeodont. So what is this diffeodont? Majority of the mammals and humans develop 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತರಹದ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Okay, the first type of teeth which we will get up to the age of 6 or 7 years, that is milk teeth, or it is also called as deciduous teeth. Milk teeth or deciduous teeth, which is temporary. Everyone have experienced or everyone has got this milk teeth in their lifetime, right? Later this milk teeth is replaced by second type of teeth, which is adult teeth. So in the lifetime of majority of mammals and humans, there are 2 sets of teeth developed, which is milk teeth and deciduous teeth and adult teeth. Next is a thecodont. So thecodont, in the sense, teeth are embedded in the socket of jaw. Alva? So all the teeth, if you see, they are fixed or they are embedded in the socket of jaw. And that arrangement of teeth is nothing but thecodont. Hege define ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ thecodont na? So teeth are embedded in the socket of jaw and the arrangement is called as thecodont. Okay, so these 3 are the human dentition: heterodont, diffeodont and thecodont. Heterodont in the sense, so humans develops different types of teeth which perform different function. Diffeodont means in the lifetime of human they will develop 2 different sets of teeth, milk teeth and adult teeth. Thecodont antandre the teeth are embedded into the socket of jaw. Okay, so the next important structure which is helpful in the process of mechanical digestion is tongue. So let's see the structure of tongue. So what is tongue? So tongue is a muscular and freely movable organ. So it is muscular and it can freely move. Okay, and it is attached to oral cavity by a structure called as frenulum. Okay, so tongue is a muscular and freely movable structure or organ which is attached to the oral cavity by a structure which is called as frenulum. So if you see the structure of tongue, so let's draw the structure of tongue. On the surface of the tongue, there are bumpy substance like little bumps which are present, which are called as papillae. Okay, so within this papillae there will be taste buds. Not that every papillae will be having taste buds. Some papillae have taste buds and some are not. So there are totally 4 different types of papillae which is present on the surface of tongue. Okay, so here on the back of the tongue, on the back side of the tongue, there are some huge papillae which are present, and this is called as circumvallate. These are called as circumvallate papillae, and this will be having the maximum number of taste buds. Okay, then there is one more type of papillae which is called as fungiform papillae. These are present on the sides of the tongue. So this name fungiform is because of its structure. They resemble like a small mushroom shaped structure. That is why it is called as fungiform papillae, and within this also there will be taste buds present. And the third type of papillae is called as filiform papillae. So filiform papillae are the very minute papillae, and within this there is absence of taste buds. Taste buds irodilla in filiform papillae. They are very minute, and maximum number of papillae will be filiform papillae. And there will be one more papillae which are called as foliate papillae. Foliate papillae, and this foliate papillae are present mostly in infants, and they are very less in adults' tongue. So as you all know, there are 4 different tastes, right? So sweet, sour, bitter and salt. So there is a misconception that there are different papillae or different taste buds are present in different parts of the tongue for each type of taste. But it is not like that. So all the taste buds can sense all the type of taste. So I hope you all have understood today's topic. So if there is any queries, please comment down below. Thank you. Keep watching.